To know how to get the maximum possible discount on Creatify, which is an amazing AI tool to make advertisement videos and promote drop shipping products, make sure you watch this video till the very end. To get the discount, click on the first link given in this video's description. If you are using Creatify for the first time, click Get Started and create an account. I already have an account, so I will click Sign In. After signing in, you will see the home page like this. Click on the three dots near your profile icon. Click Subscription. Click Upgrade your plan. You can compare the benefits provided in each plan and select any one. If you select the yearly plan, you get a 30% discount. And we still can get additional discount. You can increase the video count in your plan and the prices will change accordingly. After deciding on a plan, click Upgrade and you will be redirected to the payment page. On this page, you will find the option to add promotion code on the left. Enter TEEN15 and click Apply. You will get a 15% discount, and if you select yearly plan, you will get almost 45% discount. You can now enter the remaining details on the right and complete your payment. If you want a detailed tutorial on Creatify, you can check the video on the left. If you want to know about another amazing AI tool that can generate SEO optimized content for your website, then you can check the video on the right. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.